very warm welcome to all of you. I am Ms. Meghna Gupta, working as an assistant professor in Department of Computer Applications, ABES Engineering College. Today we are going to learn how to create a binary tree using Inorder and Preorder traversal. As we all know, there are three ways to traverse a binary tree: Inorder, Preorder, and Postorder. In order, we will traverse the left subtree, then the root node, and then the right subtree. Similarly, in pre-order, we will traverse the root node first, and then the left subtree, and then the right subtree. Same for post-order, we will first traverse the left subtree, then right subtree, and then the root node. Here in is representing that the root node will come between left and right. Pre is indicating that the root node will be traversed before left subtree and the right subtree. The post is representing that the root will be traversed after left and right subtree. So here we have to notice this in, pre, and post are indicating the position of the root node. Second point, before traversing the right subtree, we have to first traverse the left subtree. We can check in all three traversals, left is coming before the right subtree. So we have to keep these things in mind. Now let's create a binary tree. As we know, a binary tree is tree in which we can have 0 child, 1 child, or at most 2 child. So here we have given the inorder, preorder, inorder, and preorder. In preorder, what is the sequence? Root, left, and right. Whereas in inorder, what is the sequence? Left, root, and right. Okay, so we have seen before traversing left and right, we will traverse the root node. So the root node will come. So here A is indicating that it is the root node. Fine. So if A is the root node, all the elements, check in order, all the elements on the left hand side of A will form the left subtree, and all the elements on the right hand side of A will form the right subtree. So we can say G, H, B are in the left subtree, D, F, C, E are in the right subtree. Fine. So here in the left hand part we have G, H, B. Now for the left subtree, which one will be the root node? So we have these three elements B, G, H. Now which come first? B. So the next root will be B. Now check over here. G and H are present on the left hand side of this root node B. So G and H will become the part of the left subtree. Okay. Now G and H, which come first in preorder? In preorder, root come first. So here G will become the root node. So now here G is the root node. Now check in order. H is present on the left hand side of G. So H will become the right hand child, or becomes the right child of G. There is no element left over here. Now move back to DFCE. DFCE. Now, which come first in pre-order from among all these four? C. So C will become the root node. Now in check for in order. C is the root node. All elements on its left will be the part of the left subtree. So D and F will become the part of the left subtree, and E is the what? E is the right hand side. Okay, fine. Now from among D and F, which come first? Which come first? D. So D will become the root node. Again check here. If D is the root node, then F is the right hand child of D. So here F is the right hand child of D. So all the elements has been covered. Next is F. Okay, F has been already traversed. So if we make a tree A, B, C, G, H. Here D, E, and F. Fine. Let's find out the in-order traversal. In what in-order side? Left, root, right. So before processing the root, we have to go to the left tree. So A is the root. Then we first, before traversing A, we move to the left child. B is the root. Before traversing B, we have to go to the left child. G is the root. Before traversing G, we have to go to the left child. There is no left child present over here. So G is. Now, after traversing root, we go to the right child. H, move back. B, A, same for right hand side. C is the root node. So before traversing C, go back to the left hand child. So D, there is no left child. So D will be processed. Then F will be processed. Then C will be processed. And then E. So we have got this in order. Check this one and this one. They both are same. Fine. I hope it is clear. Now take another example. Suppose here in order and pre-order is given. Now check. Again, first root node is given. So is the root node. Now check. All the elements are present on the left hand side of it. Means there is no right hand side of this A. There is no right subtree of A. So all the elements are present in the left hand side of A. F, G, L, A, N, O, M, C. Okay, fine. Now next element that is to be traversed, next element that becomes the root is B. Check again for B. Again, all elements are present on the left hand side. So what are the elements left? D, E, H, F, G, L, K, N, O, M, C. Fine. Next element that becomes the root node is C. Fine. Again check. Again all the elements are present on the left hand side of C. So D, E, H, F, G, L, K, N, O, M. Next our element is D. So here it is D. Now check. All the elements are present on the right hand side of D. There is no element present on its left hand side. So these all comes in the right subtree. E, H, F, G, L, K, N, O, M. Fine. Now next element that is going to be traversed is E. So I write it over here. E. Check for E. Here it is E and all the elements are still present on the right hand side. So E, H, F, G, L, K, N, O, M. Fine. Now next traversed element is F. So F comes over here. Now check here. In the left hand side there is H, and the right hand side rest of the elements. So H will come on the left hand side and all the rest of the elements will come on the right hand side. So F, what remains? G, L, K, N, O, M. Fine. Now next element that is to be traversed is H. H comes over here. E has already been traversed. F is already been traversed. Okay, fine. So we will move back to the next element. So next traversed element is G. So next node that is G. Now check L, K, N, O, M are on the right hand side of G. So L, K, N, O, M. Now K is the root node. So here K will become the root node. Fine. Now check for K. The not traversed element is L. So L will come in its left hand side and NOM will come in the left hand side. Okay, fine. Now NOM. L has been, no, sorry. Now L is G and K is already been traversed. Next element is M. So next root element will M. Now O, here is M. O and N both are on the left hand side. So what? Here, what we write? N and O will come in the left hand side. Now, N and O, which come first? Which come first? N. So here, N will become the left child, and we can check O will become its right child. Okay. So if we check the whole tree, what will be the tree? A, B, C, D, E, F, H, G, then K, then L, here M, and then N and O will come here. So this is the tree that we have formed using Inorder and Preorder. In Preorder, we have to check the position of the root node, and Inorder we have to check where is the root node, and all the elements present on its left are in the left subtree, and all the elements present in its right are in the right subtree. Hope it is clear to you. Thank you, all of you.